Hello and welcome to Dave's Guitar Club. I'm Dave and thanks very much for stopping by and checking out the channel. The channel is all about teaching music and guitar to music lovers with the goal of helping people to be more creative with the music that they make. The aim is really to inspire creativity through the different types of lessons that I make. I release a new lesson every Monday. I have a series that's called the In the Style Of series, which is all about analysing bands and artists and musicians and their playing styles and seeing what we can learn from them. I also make composition lessons that are inspired by artists, so taking concepts that I've been inspired by particular artists and then teaching the compositions that I've made and the thought process behind what I've made. I make lesson videos on topics that I teach people in their one-to-one guitar lessons, such as techniques and scales, all that kind of stuff. So I am a one-to-one guitar teacher by trade. I've been doing it for a very long time, and the idea with these types of videos is to teach people the things that I teach in their individual lessons. I do live streams addressing topics that you guys ask me to talk about as well, and I do loads more on top of that. I'm always trying to improve the content and to make the channel better, so if there's anything you want to see, then please feel free to leave comments and make suggestions on my videos. If you want to contribute to the community and gain access to extra perks and rewards, then please check out my Patreon page and join the club. But if you don't want to join us at Patreon, that's fine, it's not a problem. But please like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and just enjoy the videos.